Hello student, welcome to this lecture. Myself Bhujbal GR, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya Aundh. In this lecture, you will study about the Raney nickel. The outline of the lecture is the firstly we discuss the introduction of Raney nickel, then we discuss the methods of preparation, lastly we discuss the synthetic applications of the Raney nickel. Let us see the introduction. Rennie nickel, it is named after its developer, that is the American mechanical engineer Murray Rennie. This Rennie nickel, it is also known as the spongy nickel, as it is the solid substance which is made up from the nickel that is obtained from nickel aluminum alloy. This is the Rennie nickel. The primary application of this Rennie nickel is it is used as the reducing agent and catalyst for the many hydrogenation reaction in the organic synthesis. Let us see the methods of preparation of Rennie nickel. The ice cold solution of sodium hydroxide is added to a nickel aluminum alloy 1:1 slowly over a period of 2 to 3 hours. Then this mixture is heated to 120 degrees centigrade for 4 hours. Again, some quantity of the NaOH solution is added and temperature is maintained at 120 degrees centigrade till evolution of the hydrogen stop. Then, supernatant solution of the alkali is decanted off and the residue left is the catalyst, that is the Rennie nickel. Okay, this is the methods of preparation. Let us see the synthetic applications. Rennie nickel, it is used in the reduction of the carbon-carbon multiple bond, that is carbon-carbon double bond and the carbon-carbon triple bond. It is also used as the reduction of phenol, reduction of aromatic ethers, reduction of halides, desulfonation, desulfurization, and hardening of the oil. These are the synthetic applications of the Rennie nickel. Let us see one by one. First, that is the reduction of the carbon-carbon multiple bond. Rennie nickel, it reduces the carbon-carbon multiple bond in aliphatic, alicyclic, and the aromatic compounds. Aliphatic and alicyclic hydrocarbon, it can be reduces at room temperature and pressure, while the aromatic hydrocarbon, they are reduced at high temperature and pressure. Let us see the first example alkenes. Ethene, that is the CH2 double bond CH2, it on treatment with the Rennie nickel, there is the addition of the one hydrogen molecule and formation of the ethane. This double bond, it is reduced to single bond. There is the CH2, it is converted to the CS3, we get the CS3 single bond CS3 ethane. In case of the conjugated diene, it may undergo 1,2 addition or 1,4 addition. Conjugated diene are those diene in which the double bond are separated by the single bond. The simplest example is the 1,3-butadiene. It on treatment with the Rennie nickel, there is the addition of the one hydrogen molecule. It can be taken place by two way, one by the 1,2 addition or another by the 1,4 addition. In 1,2 addition, the hydrogen molecules are added across the carbon 1 and 2. There is the formation of the 1-butene. While in 1,4 addition, there is the addition of the hydrogen across carbon number 1 and 4. We get the 2-butene as the product. Again, this reaction, that is the 1-butene, it is the product of the 1,2 addition, and 2-butene, it is the product of the 1,4 addition. On further hydrogenation, we get the N-butane, it is the product. In case of the aromatic hydrocarbon, it requires the high temperature and pressure. Benzene, on treatment with the Rennie nickel, it on complete hydrogenation, we get the cyclohexane as the product. Let us take the another example, naphthalene. It on treatment with the Raney nickel at 150 degrees centigrade and 30 atmospheric pressure, we get the tetraline as the product. There is the reduction of only one ring. While if the same it is carried out at high temperature 200 degrees centigrade and pressure 200 to 300 atmospheric, we get the decalin as the product. There is the complete reduction of both the both the rings. Let us see the second application, that is the reduction of the phenol. It can be carried out by two ways. In the first case, there is the complete hydrogenation. Phenol on treatment with the Raney nickel at 120 to 150 degrees centigrade and pressure, there is the reduction of all the three double bond and there is the formation of the cyclohexenol. There is the reduction of the both the three double bond. In another case, there is the partial hydrogenation. Benzene on treatment with the Raney nickel, there is the addition of the two hydrogen molecules and we get the cyclohexenol. Ketone ketoenol tautomerism, we get the cyclohexenol as the product. In this case, there is the partial reduction because there is the addition of only two hydrogen molecules. In the first case, there is the complete hydrogenation because there is the reduction of the all the three double bonds. Let us see the third example, reduction of the aromatic ether. Aromatic ether, AROR, it on hydrogenation we get the alkane and aromatic compound ARH and RH. Fourth case, that is in the reduction of the nitrile. On reduction of the nitrile by using Raney nickel, we get aldehydes or amine. Whether aldehydes or amine form, it depends on the reaction condition. In aqueous acetic acid and pyridine medium, Raney nickel reduces the nitrile group, cyano group, to the aldehyde. Cyanobenzene on treatment with the Raney nickel in acetic acid and pyridine medium, we get the benzaldehyde as the product. Under pressure, Raney nickel reduces nitrile to the amine. Alkyl cyanide on reduction with the Raney nickel, firstly we get the imine, which on further reduction we get the amine as the product. Then fifth application is the reduction of the halides. Raney nickel removes all halogens. It may be the fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Halobenzene on treatment with the Raney nickel, this halogen it is removed by the hydrogen. It is removed by the hydrogen. We get the aryl hydrocarbon. This is the reduction of the halides. Then sixth application is the desulfonation. Raney nickel, it can remove the sulfonic acid group. Benzene sulfonic acid on treatment with the Raney nickel in NaOH at heat condition, it removes the SO3H group and we get the simple aryl hydrocarbon. This is the product. Then seventh application is the desulfurization. Raney nickel, it removes the sulfur from the thiol, thioethers or thiamides. Thioether RES on treatment with the Raney nickel, we get the alkane RH and R-H. Thiamide, it on treatment with the Raney nickel, we get the RCH2NH that is the secondary amine. Last application is the hardening of the oil. Raney nickel, it is used to prepare the dalda, that is the vegetable oil from the oil, triglyceride. Triglyceride on treatment with the Raney nickel, on hydrogenation we get the dalda as the product. Thank you.